Content creation is something you want to start before the year runs out. I'm telling you not to start until you are ready. Do not start content creation until you're ready. And I know being ready takes a lot of courage. It means getting your background right. It means knowing the niche you want to talk on, you want to start creating content on. It means getting the right phone. It means having data. It means having the right editing app. It means having power bank, especially when you are in Nigeria. It means so many things. So I understand you. I really do. When you're ready, you would know you're ready. When everything is set, you would know you have to start now. I know we get a lot of advice from our fellow content creators, from bigger content creators, telling us to start with what we have. Start with what you have, start with what you have. Do they really know what you have? Do they know what we have? I'm including myself because it took me a long time to start this. I've always wanted to start content creation, but then I had so many things I needed to fix. I had so many things I needed to fix. So I understand you if you are stalling. I'm not talking about you that is being lazy. I'm not talking about you that is not encouraged enough to start. I'm talking about you that you have the morale. You have done your research. You have done everything needed to do in place. You do not have the aesthetics. Start when you can afford to put up a backdrop behind you. Start when you have a good phone. As much as I'm encouraging you to start when you're ready, do not leave the place of humble beginnings. Of course, you might include not having an iPhone to your list of the reasons why you have not started. That is not a reason. Start with your Android phone. Start with it. Clean your lens well when you want to film, if you have to film. So, yes, start when you're ready. If you're not comfortable enough to make videos and speak while you're making the videos, do not. You can film probably a tutorial or a vlog or anything you choose to, and then do a voice over. That way, you are more comfortable with what you're saying. You can rehearse what you're going to say and the likes. So, start when you're ready. Start with what you're comfortable with, and you're good to go. Do not be in a hurry. Do not be in a hurry to start reaping the fruits of your labor. I understand you are creating content back to back, you're consistent, of course. I understand all of that. Do not be in a hurry to start earning. Do not be in a hurry to start seeing all those results. See your videos as a seed you are sowing. So keep sowing it. Keep sowing it. Just give it time. Give it time. Do not be in a hurry. Give it time. You look presentable. Be presentable. Look presentable. Get your hair done. It doesn't have to be expensive. Get your nails fixed. Do your makeup. Just do things that will make you be confident. Do things that is going to make you look confident in your videos. There's something I do. I like to apply fragrance. Of course, I know you can't see the fragrance I apply, but then I just try to smell so good. It boosts my morale. It gives me confidence. It boosts my confidence level. So yes, just do something that is going to take your confidence level from 0 to 1 million. So yes, make sure you look presentable, be presentable in all your videos. Try your possible best to do that. Of course, being presentable, this includes your hair. I know I've mentioned that, your nails, your makeup, your clothes, your background, everything. Let it have a certain kind of style that suits you. Something you want to be perceived as. You want to be perceived as soft, as sweet, as beautiful, as clean. Let all of that, put everything in place to denote that, to give that kind of vibe, to give your vibe. So yes, be presentable. Do not fake anything. Do not fake your accent. Do not fake your life. Do not. So my phone battery died, so I don't have to use this with the camera I'm using now. You do not have to fake anything. You do not need to fake your accent. Don't fake your life. Don't fake situations. Don't fake anything. Be yourself. Lies, they don't get covered up for long. So do not fake anything, just be yourself. Content creation, you want it to just be like a lifestyle. People can perceive if you are telling the truth, if you are carrying them along, and they can perceive. Do you understand me? So do not fake anything, be yourself. Every other tip I have mentioned, just try to incorporate that with other tips that you get from other content creations. Do your research well and know that it's something you can do. If you're not getting it right the first time, try again. You get it right. Just keep trying. That you failed a couple of times does not mean you can't do it. You just need more practice. And what do they say practice does? It makes improvements. You have to keep improving. Just keep learning, keep researching, and know that you can do it. If you really want to do it, know that you can do it. So yes, thank you for watching my video today. My name is Victoria, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.